Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change thumb wheel functions for MX Master 3S by Logitech. And to do this, you will need to download Logi Options Plus software on your PC. Then when you're finished with the setup, by the way, you can check the video on how to set up this mouse if you're interested. When you finish with the setup, you'll be able to change the functions for this wheel. And now click on that wheel button, and inside we can pick a function. So for example, change it to the brightness up and down. You can do whichever action you like. And then next time we'll be using it, it will change the brightness of our screen. Probably you can't even see it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.